friends, welcome to the Xfitkids Tales of Wisdom. Tales of Wisdom is a compilation of stories of some friends who play and exercise together. This series is created to spread awareness about healthy lifestyle habits and active living. So let's see what our super awesome Xfitkids have for us. Enjoy!
Hi, I am here for the 6 p.m. class.
Oh, there is still 30 minutes. You can wait.
Okay, well, do you have something to eat here? I am very hungry. I am coming directly from school.
No, I don't. Pack a sandwich or some fruits next time.
Hey guys, what's up? Who's this new girl? Hi, my name is Navya. Nice to meet you. How? My name is Ananya. I'm sure your journey here at Xfitkids will be great.
I don't think so. She is hungry and she has no food.
Oh, don't worry. I have a banana in my bag. Here, take it. Oh, thanks, Steve. You're so kind to me. Come on, let me introduce you to Coach.
Wait, I will also come.
I felt so I thought walk in the first time here. Come on, Navya, let's go.
Yeah, go dear coach.
So, Navya, how was the workout? It was so much fun, but why did Mukhil go in the break?
Oh, he does that. He eats just before the workout and starts feeling very uneasy. But I'm glad he enjoyed. Let's be friends.
Yeah!